What's up guys, welcome to Dollar Trade Club, and in today's video I'm going to be showcasing to you guys how to use our AI bots. So basically everything on Dollar Trade Club is 100% free. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the AI bot section. Accumulators and aviator will be in a separate video. I'll just touch on once I get into it, but first things first, you guys want to make sure you're up to date with all our socials, guys. This is when we tell you when the website's going down, when there's new bots, bugs, fixes, and so much more. So you guys don't want to lose out on that. And just a piece of advice for those of you that don't want to be in any groups that are chatting and just want to know just information that is necessary to you, you can just be in the WhatsApp channel, which is amazing for those that just want to follow updates. We do have a direct WhatsApp button as well as the WhatsApp community where fellow traders chat about their trades, withdrawals, blowing accounts, and so much more. We have our YouTube tutorials, which we'll get to in a second, where I show you how to access each and every bot and how to use them. That'll be up on the YouTube channel. Telegram group is exactly like the WhatsApp one, just on Telegram. So first things first, you guys want to make sure you have a Deriv account. This is strictly for Deriv and it's not for any other brokers as it trades synthetic indices. So if you don't have one, not to worry, all you have to do is click on create a Deriv account. This should take you about 3 minutes and it's self-explanatory. So once you're on a page like this, you'll just click on get started and then enter your email. Once you enter your email, follow the on-screen instructions and you should be good to go in creating a demo account. So once that account is created, you'll just go ahead and come back to dollartradeclub.co.za and you will click on login with Deriv. Once you do that, the very same logins that you have created, you'll use that to log in, right? So the ones that you just created for Deriv, your email and password, you'll enter that and click on login. Once you log in on your screen, you should just see a demo account. You shouldn't see so many real accounts if you just created one, but you might not even see a real account, which I'll get to in a moment. So you'll select the demo account so you just get the feel and the know-how. But if you want to create a real account, just WhatsApp us, or it's once again self-explanatory on their website, Deriv. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll just click on creating a real account in the top right corner, or message their agents or myself, which you can get from the side panel. You can join our WhatsApp groups and you can WhatsApp us directly if you need assistance in opening a real account. So in this case, I'm just going to choose the demo account and voila, you are on the home page of AI bots. So AI bots by DTC. And this is what we're covering in this video. So from the top down, you have the easily navigate panel, which you can switch between either or between accumulators, aviator, and AI bots. And then you also have the panel I just showed you right here. You can switch between them there and follow our socials there or contact us there. At the time of recording this video, our chatbot isn't up here, so we will add that soon and you can contact us directly from there. But for now, this is where you're going to switch between your real and demo accounts. So as you can see, it's only showing the real accounts now because we are in the demo account. The red dot signifies or represents demo, while the green dot will represent a real account. So once you're in the account, you won't see it on the list because you're already in the account, right? So that is why we're seeing demo now. And if I go to demo, you'll see we don't see the demo anymore. You guys can reset your demo account. So let's just say you trade and it goes to something which you're not happy with. You can just click on reset demo and your main demo account is reset back to 10,000. So for testing purposes, right? Once you're happy with the account that you've chosen, the next step is just select a bot and start trading. In this video, I'll just be using the Switcher Pro as that is my personal favorite, but you guys can go ahead and check each one, watch the tutorial, see which one works for you. But I'm just going to choose that one, and all you guys literally have to do is click on run bot, right? And then it starts trading. So while that's happening in the background, I'm just going to showcase to you guys if you do want to change up settings, right? You can just click on bot settings. You want to stop the bot first before you continue changing settings, but I'm just showcasing to you guys stake and martingale as well as take profit and stop loss. Take profit is the amount you want the bot to stop at. Stop loss, it's the same thing in the negative. Martingale, you guys don't want to actually touch this. This feature might get removed at some point as it is a key factor that you don't want to change this, right? Just keep this as is, because if you go lower, your martingale may lose you money, right? So like in this instance, if you go lower than a ×2, we'll lose money and you'll see that the bot won't get out of its losses. So leave that the same. Stake, you can always play around with stake, right? You can go ahead and put it to 0.50, which is the lowest on any bot if you want to. That's totally up to you. We've just received our payout. But you can choose whichever asset you want to trade on. You can trade on any asset you wish. And then on stake, like I said, play around with it, see what works for your account size, right? So if I just go ahead and close that, as you can see, the bot does take losses, but as mentioned, the martingale should be able to fix that. Our recommended starting amount is $100, so you can go ahead and make sure that you have that in your account so you see ample profits. If you want to play small and not see any profits, that's totally up to you. But like I said, we started off with a $2 stake, which is quite high for a $100 account, right? So in this case, you will need about a $200 account, which should be sufficient for you to see great profits. But like I said, it's totally whatever you want to make it to be. So for example, if I just go ahead and stop the bot, let it just martingale to a profit. Actually, it doesn't matter. If you go ahead and stop the bot and we want to do a zero point 0.5, let's just say zero point 0.5 stake. Sometimes you have to reload the page. There we go. You can start on zero point 0.5, so your martingale is much more. You have a better chance, right? So there we are. You can try anything you wish. You can switch between different pairs if you wish. You can go to maybe the 1S pairs works better for you and you want to run that because it is quicker. You can do that as well. That's totally up to you. It's just you can go around and play with everything that you wish on the website. Just go ahead and stop that, reset. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. You can choose whatever you wish. Try a different bot if you want. Let's just try the dual strike. Click on run. And this one does take longer to enter a trade, but just let it do its thing, guys. And you should be able to see profits. But there we are. It's already in a trade. So that's basically it, guys. You can go ahead and see what works for you, play around with it on a demo account, and everything's completely for free. No subscription needed, no strings attached. And if you guys need assistance, don't hesitate to click on the WhatsApp us button or join the group and they'll gladly assist you. And that is the end of our tutorial at Dollar Trade Club. Once again, guys, make sure to subscribe so you stay up to date with all the new inventions and free bots coming your way. And once again, before I go ahead and end this video, it is www.dollartradeclub.co.za.